what stands out in this piece is this continuous dotted rhythm. And so when we're playing this, it's very important to keep them swinging forward. And again, it fits to the nature of the language. I'll just give you here how we would translate the groupings of words and syllables into musical phrasing. Yeah? The main idea, once again, is that we really want to avoid the danger that these dotted rhythms become heavy and stuck. So the secret is really in these eighth note pickups, if you would. They have to be very light and again, kind of this rolling forward gesture. Almost don't play the eighth notes, or imagine these note heads are really much smaller than the long notes. Keep the second main beat light, and also ends of phrases light. So in this case, you can just kind of follow my brackets here. Anywhere when a note falls on the end of a bracket, keep those also light. So I'll actually start this and then I'll continue on with my line. All right, so we'll do all repeats. Here is my D, so. That's okay for everyone? Yeah, okay. And as for tempo, let's see. Dum dum dee dum bum ba dee. Is that okay? Dee dum bum 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 bum. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1, 2, dum bum. Yeah. 1, 2. Did it work out for everyone? Super. Excellent. Okay.